Okay, so in my last video, I told you guys about this super fun personality test called the Rainforest test. Felicia for the win on TikTok is the one who got me on this test, and it is so freaking interesting. So how it goes is that you're on a long journey home through a rainforest and you have 4 pets with you. A cow, a horse, a lion, and a monkey. You end up having to leave 1 pet behind. Then you have to trade 1 pet for food. And then sadly, the remaining 2 pets end up getting in a fight and you can only save 1. So the pet that you choose to save is going to tell you a whole lot about yourself. Okay, so let's get into the interpretation. If you walked out of the rainforest with the cow, that means that you value money. This can mean that you're really frugal and careful with your money, or that you're always trying to figure out a new hustle to make some more money. Think milking the cow for all of its worth. Out of all of the animals, the cow definitely has the most value. If your final answer is a horse, it can mean that you're a really hardworking and loyal person. A horse is definitely the most loyal animal to men out of the 4 choices. So it means that you value someone that will stick by your side and you'll stay loyal to them. If you chose the lion, that means that you really value protection. You like to feel safe and secure, and you are willing to do what it takes to protect those around you. You probably picked the lion so that you can feel safe. If you chose to stick with the monkey till the end, it means that you really value friendship. This is either because you know what it feels like to be alone, or it can mean that you have a lot of friends and you really value the fulfillment that they have brought into your life. Also, as humans, we relate the most to monkeys, so you probably kept the monkey around because you really value its friendship. So guys, you have to let me know what you think about this interpretation and let me know if this is true for you. I ended up having the horse till the very end. And I will say I am a very hardworking and loyal person, but I'm not gonna lie, I kind of kept the horse because I'm a little bit lazy at times and I didn't want to have to walk through the rainforest. So let me know, guys, what do you think about this test?